Are you trying to find an old carousel that you shared on Instagram but can't seem to locate it? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to view an old carousel by date on Instagram on your PC, thanks to a new update. First things first, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the More icon or the three dots to access the menu options. Next, click on your activity. Now, from the Photos and Videos section, you'll need to locate your carousel. You can find it either in the Photos section or the Reels section, depending on where you originally shared it. Once you've found your carousel, click on Sort and Filter. Here comes the fun part. You'll need to enter the start date and the end date for the period of the carousel that you're looking for. This will help you narrow down your search and find the specific carousel you're interested in viewing. Once you've entered the dates, click on Apply, and there you have it. You've successfully viewed an old carousel that you've shared on Instagram by date on your PC. Now you can easily reminisce about those special moments and memories captured in your carousel. So next time you're looking for a specific carousel on Instagram, just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to find it in no time. Enjoy exploring your old carousels and reliving those precious memories.